Hey guys! So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I use one of my favorite Ayurvedic herbs to make a hair mask. And this herb is none other than hibiscus, which strengthens the hair, promotes growth, treats dry, itchy scalp, thickens the hair, and also fights hair loss. I'll also be using yogurt, which contains high levels of lactic acid, which helps to treat dull and damaged hair. It has antifungal properties that helps to fight dandruff, and it also helps to tame frizz. I'll also be using honey because it draws moisture to the hair, softens it, and leaves it looking smooth and shiny. I'll also add olive oil to the mixture, which moisturizes and adds shine to the hair. And as usual, when I'm done, I'm going to place my hair into 4 twists and cover it with a plastic cap or a plastic bag, and then sit under a steamer for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you give it a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and also give this video a thumbs up.